What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I turned this into the video that you saw in the beginning, because she is terrible. So what I went ahead and did was just washed her out with that shampoo and conditioner that I show you. It is wonderful for bundles, so I decided to use that one. This is the effect of how it looked once I washed it out. I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry. This video is very short, so just make sure, it's not much to pay attention to because it's very detailed explained, like it's very simple. But I just wanted to show you guys that when you have a wig and you think it's bad and you can't do anything with it and you just want to throw it away, do not waste your money, because they are, reusable. So you can go ahead and style it, especially if it's some curls. Like, you do not have to rock them curls the whole time. If them curls decide they want to get tingly and, act dysfunctional, go ahead and do the switch on it and show them that you got something better in store. So go ahead and flat iron those curls out of that and style it. This style was already cut into like a bob, one side short, the other side longer. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it the same as you're going to see throughout the video. And let's just jump right into it, ladies. I'm not going to do too much talking because it's really nothing to explain, like I stated. And I had to switch up my instrumentals. Like, they're not all that, but hey, it is what it is to give you guys a vibe, because I do not feel like getting copyrighted for using, the wrong instrumentals. So guys, just sit back, enjoy, and I'll be back. By the way, guys, I just want to say I had got this hair from Hair's Market a while ago. So this wig did take me a long way. It did last a very long time. But I was just like, I know I can make these curves and do something else with this wig, so there's no need for me to throw it away. However, the part in the beginning with my makeup and my face beat and everything and my wig laid, I do not do that on camera because I am not a makeup artist, okay? Makeup is not my thing, so when I be playing around with it, I refuse to mess up on camera and be looking crazy. So I'd rather go in the bathroom, look in the mirror, and take my time and just try to do what I think I know how to do, but I really don't know what I'm doing. Now, I do know how to do my eyebrows, that's about it, and apply some eyelashes, but as far as doing it on camera, I didn't get there yet, and I don't, understand how them other YouTubers do it by looking in the camera doing it. I'm gonna get there one day. I'm gonna show you guys how I do all that. And with applying my wigs, I like to do the same process. I have to make sure I'm looking directly in the mirror, make sure I'm lining everything up correctly. So I didn't get there yet either with putting it on camera, but one day I am going to get there, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I lay my wigs and put on my makeup, just that way, so I don't have to keep inserting a clip of after the fact. Y'all can go ahead and see everything while it's getting done. But anyway, I just wanted to add that in there. And yes, I was looking a little rough in the beginning, skin all pale, no brows, no lashes, but it's cool because your girl really pretty, so it don't even matter. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just stay tuned to watch. If you are watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell so you can receive notifications when I do postings. Go ahead and help your girl out. As I always stated, share with your family, share with your friends, share with whoever. Go ahead and get my ratings up and get my likes up and my subscribers up. Help your girl out, because I am bringing you all the slay, and I got way more in stock. Like, y'all just don't even know yet. Like, I have so many more ideas coming your way. It's going to be like boom, hitting y'all all when it's unexpected. So just make sure to hit that bell, hit that hit that bell, hit that subscription button, and like this video. Make sure to comment if you decide you want to see any styles. Place it in the comment section. I will bring it to you. I promise I will. Okay, but continue to watch, and I'll be back throughout the video. All right, ladies, so about round up in here, you're going to see where the frontal have, like, you know, right here, a bald spot, okay? That is nothing to panic over, especially if you someone like me who likes to wear your side part and not trying to do a middle part. That's fine. There's nothing to worry about, because once the hair is gone, you cannot put it back, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and tell you that. So you can't put it back. But however, it did not come from plucking. Like I stated, I had this wig for a while, especially with curls. When they are tangled and you steady brushing and combing and they're tangled, it's going to keep snatching hair from the frontal. The frontal area is very thin, okay? So you have to make sure when it comes to that, you just be careful. But like I stated, when you someone like me and trying to cover up that big forehead and bend that part to the side, honey, don't even matter. You can get that bald spot covered up, and I'm going to show you how. Just like I covered it up, you couldn't even tell it was a bald spot in the video when I applied it on my head. So anyway, just want to let you guys know, do not panic if you see a bald spot in your frontal. I mean, they happen. Sometimes you can get a bald spot if you pluck too much, or as I stated, the hair is tangled and you trying to detangle it and get it combed and brushed. You can be snatching some hairs out of the frontal. And sometimes it happens if you over bleach the knots. Like when you bleaching your knots, if you over bleach it, it can cause bald spots too, because it's going to cause the hair to shed. But that's not where this came from. That came from all them tangled curls and me brushing and combing. That's where that came from. But it's cool, because like I stated, you can't even see it because I rock my side parts. I'm not even about to flex and put a middle part in my, you know, on myself, because my forehead is way big. Like, it's, come on, it's popping out like an alien. I'm not even about to set myself up for the kill, okay? So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that, so you do not panic and be like, oh my god, my frontal have a bald spot, what am I going to do? Easy. It's very easy. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is almost over. Just make sure to comment, like, and subscribe as I stated, and I will be back with you guys next time. And just watch this video throughout the whole thing, like you literally only got a few minutes to go. So I'll see you guys next time.